What's up, everybody? This is Vincent Jones Smith and my fiance Patrice Long. Baby Vincent's also in the video. He just woke up. In the video, there's going to be 66 items that you're going to see, so you guys can know what we sold in August, to give you guys an idea of what's selling on eBay currently right now going into September. So this first item on the list is sold on August 1st, and the brand of the shoes is Kuru men's shoes, and it's sold for $40 plus $13 free shipping.
On August 2nd, we sold some Diesel Industry jeans, slim straight, for $31.70.
We purchased this item for $1 on Dollar Day at the Goodwill. It's Connie Strive knee-high boots. They're brown leather boots, and they sold for $14.44 with $12.66 shipping on August 2nd.
Next up, we have a blue leather jacket made in Italy. We didn't know what brand it was, but it sold pretty good for $85 plus $14.20 shipping. And I actually love this one and wanted to keep it for myself, but
She loves blue.
I like the $85 more.
Okay, so another good flip, Icon Striker motorcycle sport vest. We got 60 plus $9.05 shipping, sold August 3rd.
And we got some Wayne Gretzky 22 karat gold cards. How much you pay for that one?
This, you guys, I bought a duffel bag full of Wayne Gretzky collectibles for $20. Okay guys, next up was a new with tags Ralph Lauren button down shirt. It sold for $30 with free shipping on August 3rd.
And we also sold some Ralph Lauren sandals for $19.99. They paid $14.20 for shipping.
Okay, so next we have some DC snowboard ski pants. They sold for $25 plus $14 shipping.
And we sold some Nike Zooms for $25. They paid $7.85 for shipping. Okay, next up guys, we sold this green vintage Pyrex glass for $9.99, and they paid $16.45 for shipping. More than what they bought it for.
Right.
And
next,
that's a bolo,
yeah.
So be sure to look out for
Pyrex
that.
sells really good. Not necessarily the clear ones, but the colored glass ones. They're made in USA and they have a really good demand. Okay, so next up we have some Air Jordan Retro ones. For these, we got 55 plus $11.95 shipping, sold August 13th.
And this one was pretty cool. It's a Death Wish coffee mug. It was a $2 item. We paid $2, and it sold for $50.
Home run.
Yeah, shipping was $14.20. They paid
$2 to $50 plus shipping. And what was the brand again? Death Wish?
Death Wish.
Death Wish coffee mugs. This next pair was a Nike Air Jordan 1 Space Jam Concord, and these sold for $29.99 plus $12.60 shipping.
Next up were some Pendleton bands. They were blue and wool. These were pretty cool. They sold for $30, and they paid $19.05 for shipping. And this was a really quick seller also.
Alright, so the next item that sold was a vintage Le Creuset cast iron Dutch oven. It sold for $35 plus $26.40 shipping.
Okay, then we got this cast iron skillet top, and we sold it for, it was just the top, it sold for $26 plus $17.26 shipping.
Asics Gel Cayenne 25, we got $30 plus $14.20 shipping, sold August 5th.
And we sold some Nike used pink and black shoes, $25 and they paid $13 for shipping.
A tailor-made golf club. It's a 10.5 degrees. It sold for $35 plus $14.20 shipping. I remember paying $4 for the golf club.
And we also sold the Ping golf club, which was a really fast seller. We sold it for $30, and they paid $14.20 for shipping also.
And we also have an interesting video about, I think, both of these golf clubs, what we had to do to ship them. So I'll put the link to that video in the description. if you want to watch it. The next item that we sold August 8th was one of our biggest flips. They're Amiri stack boots. They sold for $287 with free shipping. We paid $15 for these, and it sold in about a week and a half.
And then we have this Denon AVR. We sold it for $57. They paid $24.09 for shipping.
Next item was a New Balance Battley 890 V2. These sold for $30 plus $14.20 shipping.
And we got some PC DVD games. There were 3 games in total. We sold them for $12 each with free shipping. And they were we paid $2 each. So.
And they all sold to the same person. Okay, the next item up was a Bun My Cafe Pod Brewer. It sold for $50 plus $19.15 shipping on August 9th. And it sold in less than 2 weeks, about a week and a half.
And we sold some Nike Air Slant Mid Retro shoes for $90. They paid $8.75 for shipping.
This item was a really great flip for me. It was a Final Cut Pro 7 sealed in the box, original sealing. And it sold for $190 with free shipping. Next up, we have some Nike Air Force One Youth. These sold for $20 plus $13 shipping on August 14th.
And we sold some Dr. Scholl's Fitness Walkers. These were a $1 item. We sold them for $20 and they paid $12.60 for shipping.
Nice. Now next up is a Ruger pistol box. I love the way that name sounds. Ruger. Sounds like a typical gun name brand, right? But anyways, a Ruger pistol box. Paid about $4 for it. Got a quick sale about a week and a half for $19.87 plus $7.85 shipping. Sold August 16th.
And up next we have some Cushy surfer shoes. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Cushy surfer shoes. They sold for $25.
Quick seller.
Yeah, quick seller. They paid $8.20 for shipping.
Next up, we have a TI-83 Plus calculator. Finally sold after about, honestly, 4 or 5 months for $20 plus $5.35 shipping. TI-84 Plus calculators sell a lot quicker for more money, but this is the former version, I guess. 83 still sold finally for $20. Pay like $1 or $2, I don't remember. Yep. Next up,
vintage board shorts. It's Katine Canvas.
Yep, check it out. That brand, that vintage brand, has pretty strong demand, so check them out. Those actually were personalized for somebody else and still sold because of the strength of the brand. It was like Long Beach, you guys could see on the picture, Long Beach lifesavers. What do they call them? Lifeguards.
Lifesavers. That works too. That works too.
Yeah.
We sold it for $20 plus $4.81 shipping.
All right, guys. So next up is Nike Air Force One. Sold for $29 plus $11 shipping.
And then we have a Bushnell GPS backtrack personal locator. We sold it for $40 with free shipping.
So next up was a $1 item from a yard sale. Champion backpack. Everybody knows Champion is trending. It sold for $10 plus $7.35 shipping.
And next we have a pretty cool marble crossbody satchel. They paid $64.32 plus $14.20 shipping.
Quick seller, sold in less than 24 hours. Paid $8 for it at a Goodwill.
All right, and next up we sold some Giuseppe Zonatelli.
Zanatoli.
That's a fun one.
Giuseppe Zanatoli.
Zebra Hills for $30, and they paid $14.20 for shipping.
Next up, we sold Asics Gel 190 running shoes for $23 plus $13 shipping. August 11th.
And we sold some black Chippewa boots. These were a really quick seller. We paid $25 for them. They sold for $95.55, and they paid $48.64 for shipping.
All right, next up we have a Oil Lily backpack with the little spaceship on it. So for $25 with free shipping on August 12th. Next up is a Lulu Guinness canvas bag. So really quickly for $20 plus $14.20 shipping, August 18th.
And we sold some women's Air Nikes, $40. They paid $14.20 for shipping.
Next up is a Klaus Mueller violin. We sold it for $70 plus $16.45 shipping.
And this was an interesting one we sold. A Humminbird fish finder watch. How does a watch find fish? We sold it for $49 with $8
GPS locator. I'm thinking it's sending a signal into the water and helping the fish to decide where to cast their bait. Yeah, their bait. So next up on the list is a PRPS jeans, designer distressed jeans. We actually got $50 plus $13 shipping for this item.
Next up, we sold a Wimbledon DVD, 1980s collection. They paid $19.87 with free shipping.
Next up was a Boston Proper leather jacket. We're getting into September, so jackets are starting to pick up again. This item sold for $43 plus $11.95 shipping.
Oh wait, this one I loved. It was a Pug Dog Lover shirt. We sold for $25. And they paid $4.53 for shipping.
Okay, next up, guys, is a Jack Spade messenger bag with a great big spell out. Sold for $85 with free shipping. I paid $10 for this item. I knew I could get good money for it, especially since it actually had the Jack Spade spell out, the Jack on it, and there actually wasn't any other bags like that, but the comparable bags were also selling for good money. Alright guys, so we each have 6 items left. Thank you for sticking with us throughout the video, and don't miss out on any of these great items. So just a few more minutes and you'll get to see 12 more items.
Alright, next up, a Corningware baking dish. We sold it for $30 and they paid $33.05 for shipping.
Next up was a really cool flip, a pair of Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Paid $10, sold for $101.11. Shout out 111, and also got $11.95 shipping. Sold on August 22nd.
And then we sold some Titleist Pro V1 golf balls. They paid $37 plus $14.20 shipping.
Paid $5 for those. Next up, we have Skechers Shape Up, sold for $25 plus $10 shipping.
Next up was a really good find also. Essential Oil Collection by Young Living, sold for $111.
Shout out 111, paid $9. Next up was some Chacao women's sandals, sold for unbelievably $35 plus $14.20 shipping for a used pair of sandals called Chacao.
Next up were some Air Jordans, Dub Zeros, and they were white Oreo. Had a white Oreo design. That's what it's called.
Really nice pair of Jordans.
We sold them for $40, and they paid $19.05 shipping.
Next up was a pair of Affliction jeans, called like Ace Affliction jeans. Got an offer for $54 with free shipping.
And we sold a Tesla t-shirt, new with tags, $18 plus free shipping.
Sold the same day we listed it. Took about 2 hours. Made $7 profit probably on that item.
And last item for me was a pretty cool sale. Marvel Vans limited edition. It was Deadpool. They sold for $46.50 and they paid $10.50 for shipping.
I have 2 more. Nike Air Max 90 Premium sold for $29 plus shipping. And Vintage Majestic Mariners Griffey 24 sold for $25 plus $5.66 shipping. You know, thanks for sticking up with us throughout this whole video, you guys. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more videos with Patrice and baby Vincent. And hit the like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more What's So videos. And you never know what new channels or videos or topics we're going to talk about next. So hope you guys like our background. Comment down below if you like something in the background, or if you guys have any questions about any of the items in the video. I wouldn't mind to answer any questions to help you guys get started. This is our first year reselling on eBay, and it's been a great experience, and thank you for giving us the chance to share what we sold in August with you guys.
Love and blessings to everybody.
All right.
We're out.